We have given that angle ABC is complement of angle PBS, and PBS is a supplement of angle KLM. Let measure of angle ABC is 8 degrees. What is the measure of angle KLM? So let's first draw the graph. We have given that angle ABC is complement of PBS. What it means? It means that the sum of these two angles is 90 degrees. So let's draw first angle ABC. It must be acute angle because we know that this angle is complement of PBS. So it means that they are together give us 90 degrees. So we have approximately like this. This is our angle 90 degrees because angle ABC is complement of angle PBS. And this is our vertex B. This is angle ABC, and this is angle PBS. What else we have given? We have given that P, of course here we have P. What else we have given? We have given that angle PBS is supplement of angle KLM. So it means that the sum of angles PBS and KLM give us straight angle. It means 180 degrees. So this is our straight line, straight angle will be. So let's put this green. This is our angle 180 degrees. And this is angle K. It means that B is equal to L M. What else we have here? We have that measure of angle A, B, C is 8 degrees. So let's put that this is our A degrees. So now we have to find measure of angle KLM. We have to find measure of angle KLM. This is our unknown. Let's put that this is our blue. KL. This is our angle which we have to find measure of angle KLM. Let's start from the beginning. We know that angle ABK is right angle, and we know measure of angle ABC. So we can find the angle PBS. Let's write, we have that measure of angle ABS is equal measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle PBS. So measure of angle ABC is 90 degrees because angle ABC and PBS are complement. So the sum of two angles is 90 degrees. So we have 90 degrees is equal. Measure of angle ABC is given that this is A degrees, and PBS, measure of angle PBS, is our unknown. So we can move A degrees to the left side. So we have that 90 degrees minus 8 degrees is equal measure of angle PBS. So if we have now this angle, because we can change the sides and we have that measure of angle PBS is equal 90 degrees minus 8 degrees. So we have this angle PBS. So now, because angle PBS and KLM are supplementary angles, it means that the sum of these two angles is 180 degrees. So we can write that measure of angle KLM is difference of angles, because we have angles 180 straight angle and we have given this part, so the angle KLM, it will be 180 degrees minus this part. So we have that measure of angle KLM is equal 180 degrees. Why? One more time, because angle PBS and KLM are supplementary angles. So the measure of these two angles is 180 degrees. So the measure of angle KLM will be 180 minus measure of angle PBS. So we have that measure of angle KLM is equal 180 degrees minus, and measure of angle PBS, we just found that this is, let's put it in parentheses because we have negative sign before this expression. So we have 90 degrees minus 8 degrees. So we have that measure of angle KLM is equal 180 degrees minus negative sign we have before parentheses, so we have to change the sign, will be minus 90 degrees, negative and negative give us plus 8 degrees. So the measure of angle KLM is 180 minus 90, so this is 90 degrees plus 8 degrees. So we found measure of angle KLM because A was given at the beginning. So this is my solution.